In today's video, we will be exploring the core concepts of investing with a look towards building a stable future. Hey guys, it's Boring Joe from Possibility of Finances. Join me as we explore the world of finances as an average Joe, trying to make heads or tails of the financial space. Investing, what is it? How can it help you? And as a bonus, what are three of the most common forms of investing? To start, what is investing? Investing is defined as expending money with the expectation of achieving a profit or material result. For once, the world of finance has opted to use a term without complicated financial technobabble attached to it. But don't worry, that comes later. To use a basic example, you invest $100 in Boring Joe Inc. with the expectation that tomorrow it will be worth $110, $120, maybe even $130. For most people, this is done to achieve financial freedom, to potentially build wealth. A good investment will allow your money to outpace inflation and increase in value. The way I have always thought of investing is my money is making me money so that someday I won't have to make money. That is the dream, isn't it? To replace our 8-to-5 income without actually having to do anything for it. Then we can take off into the sunset and learn new skills with absolutely no use to us, like underwater basket weaving, or you can decide to travel the world and learn about new cultures. Investing is the way that we can all improve our lot in life, whatever that may look like for you. Unfortunately, that was the good news. And now for the bad news. Investing isn't easy. Investing in yourself is not easy. A lot of channels in YouTube will give you a get-rich-quick scheme if you follow these 10 easy steps, or buy my course and I will guarantee X amount in returns. The flashy Lamborghini or Hollywood-style mansion in those videos make you want to believe that it really can be that easy. But unfortunately, Boring Joe here will tell it to you like it is. It's a long road. One filled with hardships, long hours, and learning. But if you are willing to put in the work, you too can achieve a respectable living standard. What that might be is different for everyone, but the often untold truth is Lamborghinis are not realistic for most of the 8-to-5 crowd, which I am a part of. But a paid-off home, a steady income, and a hassle-free life are a possibility if you are willing to put in the hard work necessary. But if you are not afraid of hard work and learning, you have come to the right place. As we embark on this journey to understand finances, it is important to always have clear goals in mind. Throwing money at the market is a recipe for potential disaster. Investors can have many goals. Some of the most popular goals are growing your money, making your money work for you, not the other way around, saving for retirement or buying your freedom, earning a higher income, buy whatever you want, whenever you want, and reach financial goals, be stress-free. With all that said, it's time for the bonus round. What are some of the three most common investments out there? And two of the three are, unsurprisingly, stocks and bonds, with almost everybody having some sort of basic idea as to what both of these instruments are. The third one has always been a bit of a surprise, but it makes sense if you really think about it. The third one is cash. Cash surprised me at first when I began my financial journey over 10 years ago, but at the same time, it started to make sense as time went on. Why leave my cash in a checkings account making 0.01% interest rate while the bank got to invest it and do whatever it chose with it? Shouldn't some of that be mine? Cash is traditionally looked at as an investment vehicle because most investments lock up your money for either a long-term or near-term. To use a very basic example, if you were to need $100 today, even if you sold your stocks right now, the money would not settle right away, taking a day or two for the money to settle from a broker to a bank account. That's why money market accounts are so useful. With interest rates rising, you are able to obtain small returns on your cash even when it's not actively going out to pay for your day-to-day expenses or activities. It is a very safe investment, but most importantly, it is very liquid. Liquid in this context means readily available. With cash on hand, I am able to always be on the lookout for a good investment opportunity in both the stock market and the bond market. That is why cash is one of the most important and common asset classes experienced investors hold. If there are three takeaways from this video I would like all of you to take, they are these. Investing can buy you your future. It's one of the tried and true methods of building wealth. Investing is not easy or glamorous. For most of us, investing is about improving our lot in life. It takes hard work and effort. As the old saying goes, nothing worth doing is easy. Investing is a personal journey of learning about finances and yourself. As I said above, investing in yourself is never easy. I'm not here to sell you the answer, but to explore the possibilities of finance to improve our lives for the better. I am still learning and I will always be learning. If there are any topics you would like me to touch on or any improvements to the video, please leave some feedback. I hope you have found this video informational and useful. If you did, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Come back next time as we explore financial terms that everybody should be familiar with. Thanks for watching.